Hi, first grade friends. Okay, you might recognize this page a little bit. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going with some additional math if you want math that is not what is in the packets. Again, this is optional. You do not have to do this. I am doing lesson number 4 today, reading picture graphs. So here we go. We are going to get right to it. So this is our quick check. Use a tally chart to make a picture graph, okay? So if we had our drawing capabilities, which I do, we have how many strawberries? 6. So let's go ahead and draw a graph here. And I'm going to make 3 lines because we have 3 different things. And then I'm just going to put their first initial, so strawberry, watermelon, apple. Strawberry, watermelon, apple. And the biggest number I have is 7, so I gotta make sure that there's at least 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how many strawberries do we have? We have 6 strawberries. So let's put an X in one side we have strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have how many watermelon? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and then this is how many apples? How many apples? 3. So I've got 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so which fruit had the most? Watermelon. Which one had the least? Apple. Good. I don't know what's going on here. Why can't I get out of this? Okay, here we go. Let's keep going with this. See if we can get more. Here we go. What do the pictures represent in a picture graph? So if this is our picture graph, what do the pictures represent? What do each one of these represent? How many of each there are? So fish, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fish, okay? How many cats? 5. And how many dogs? 7. So let's look at this. How many people voted for a cat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's how we do this. We count, okay? How many people voted for fish? 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you'd write a 4 here. Which pet received the fewest votes? So you're not going to write what the fewest votes are, you're going to write which pet name. Was it a fish, cat, or a dog? Which one had the least, the fewest? Fish. So you'd write fish right here. Okay? So you are going to need a pencil and paper for this because I'm going to show you the problems that you need to complete, and then you can do them or not do them, but it'll give you practice. They're from your workbook, which you don't have, so we're going to do it this way. I'm going to try. So this one is 14 people were surveyed about their favorite transportation. How many are there in all? 14 people in all. 3 people chose a car. So 3 chose a car. 5 people chose a boat. 5 boat. The rest of the people chose a plane. So how many do we know chose a car? 3. So let's put an X here, an X here, and an X here, because that signals 1, 2, 3. 3 cars. How many people chose a boat? 5. So let's go down here and put 5 X's here. 4 and 5. Now it says that the rest chose a plane. Now, so what we have to do is we have to figure out how many people chose a plane. How many people were there in all, though? How many were in all? 14. So we need to add 5 and 3 to figure out how many people have voted already. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know 8 people voted out of the 14 total. So now we have to do a little subtraction here. 14 minus how many? 8, because that's how many people are already voted. So they can't vote again because you can only vote once. So we're going to count up to 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers do I have up? 6. So that's how many people. Oh, what happened to my marker? Okay, that's how many people voted for the plane. So we're going to go ahead and mark those in. 5 and 6. Good, and our picture matches theirs. Okay, here's where it kind of gets tricky, okay? We're going to, this is the ones that you would have to write down. Don't worry about writing down the graph. Just write down the answer, okay? And again, this is completely optional. You do not have to do it. I'm just showing you things that we would have learned. So this is just completely optional. The picture graph how many more people ride the bus than this? So let's look at our picture graph. How many ride the bus than this? So what I always like to do is when we're comparing this graph, okay, so this is 1 has the same, 2 has the same, 3 has the same, 4 has the same. It's asking how many more people ride the bus than this. So these are all equal, right? Because 4 people walk, 4 people ride the bus. Now we want to know how many didn't ride. How many didn't make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 people ride the bus. Here we go. How many people were surveyed on? So when we're doing this, we need to count all of them. We can't vote more than this. Okay, so how many people so count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, to draw our lines again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then no more because that's no more for 2. So which other one doesn't have any more? Orange juice. So you're going to write orange juice. I'm just going to write this. And then do more people like chocolate milk or orange? Who had more votes? Chocolate milk or orange juice? Which has more pictures? Chocolate milk or orange juice? So I'm just gonna write. And thank you. And we got them all right. Okay, so that's the end of our video for today. I promise that they'll get better and more practice as we go on. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or reach out to me other ways. I miss you all. I'm trying the best I can. Please let me know if this is helping. Bye.